What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Grand Tour. Today, we will be touring Will's Creeper Farm. Now, this thing pumps creepers like crazy, and he built it 20,000 blocks away in hopes that people wouldn't find it. However, that's not how it works. He said that it was a, oops, I might be destroying the armor stand. But he claimed he was building an orbital strike cannon when he was building this. And instead he was building this insane gunpowder farm. I mean, this thing is just... it's unreal how much gunpowder this thing pumps out. But it ended up causing basically the destruction of the server. Now this thing is absolutely ginormous. It's an incredible feat of human innovation. Each one has a cat, and each one has a portal, and the portal pushes them into up here. At one point, the portals were broken, so then there ended up being like a bajillion creepers in the bottom of the nether. But yeah, this was an enormous farm, and it really led to the end of the server when the wrong people got their hands on the gunpowder. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to tune in to the other tours, as everybody's got something to show for the server other than the people who blew up everything. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.